I am so absolutely blessed when I found a digital marketer that would mentor me. She's a six-figure earning digital marketer. She has her own community where she gives daily training, and we learn all her strategies for free. She's also shown me how to start my own online business, how to automate my business. I had to buy my first digital product. The digital product is an e-learning marketing course. So within the digital product, you will learn all the steps you need to know, how to do advertising, how digital marketing works. So I had to buy my first digital product. There's 3 to choose from: $100, $300, and $600. So you buy your first digital product only once, and you buy it with the master resale rights. This means the product is yours for a lifetime, and you can resell the same product over and over and over again for 100% profit. And this means after the first sale, you're already in profit mode. There's a $29 admin fee. The admin fee is for your ready-made website, so you don't need any tech skills. The website is just plug and play. If I can set it up, anybody can set it up. And the automations will work for you 24/7. This means you don't need to recruit anybody. You don't need to DM anybody. You don't need to cold call anybody. You don't need to bother friends and family. There's no monthly fees, and there is no overhead. If you want to be part of this community, if you want to have your own online business, and you want to have master resale rights on digital products you didn't even have to create, please say yes in the comments. I would absolutely love to share with you.